Strawberry. Say strawberry. When will he come back? When will what will happen? Really? No.
Rubber.
You waited, didn't you? And the whole body went. That was pretty funny, wasn't it? You can't control it. You can't control yourself. You just don't know. When's it gonna happen? Oh, okay, strawberry juice.
Yes. You love it. You love it.
Yeah, will we have a rest for just a minute? Strawberry, okay. Strawberry. 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 Do you want some more? Strawberry, good boy. Well,
Yes.
I'm telling you now, Dad's taking you to the haunted houses, not me. No, Mum. No, Mum doesn't like that kind of scare. You do, apparently. You won't? Where is he? Can you hear him? He'll go Abu. He will.